Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, you will know the best 5 YouTube channels to learn programming and coding. Software developers are a rare commodity nowadays. They are in such a high demand that even interns at tech companies are drawing ridiculous salaries. But as there are more and more programmers joining the recruitment cycle, tech companies are finding it hard to hunt for talented coders. It is every student's wish to learn programming or coding. Programming develops a person by helping him to think and solve problems. Apart from this, it also helps him to improve his prospects and understand how computer works. So this is one of the reasons why a person should learn programming. So there are various channels on YouTube where a person can learn programming for free. These channels are I will explain one by one. The first one is Treehouse. It is one of the best YouTube channel to learn programming. It has more than 350 videos that provide the knowledge about the PHP, JavaScript, Python, CSS, Swift and C++. These videos try to make it easy to learn without any complications or complex strategies. The second one is the New Boston. It is another great YouTube resource to learn programming with more than 4,200 videos and a million plus subscribers. It has various courses relating to various genres of programming. It has Angular 2, Flask, React.js, CSS, etc. for individuals interested in web development. For command line programming enthusiasts, it has Linux tutorials, GUI development using Python, a window command line course, etc. The channel also contains various videos which give an insight into various programming languages such as C or C++, HTML, Ruby, Java, etc. The third one is learncode.academy. For the web designers or those who are still new to the web designing, this channel on YouTube is the ultimate place to learn about any aspect related to the web developing languages. With the 111 videos on the channel and more than 193,000 subscribers, this YouTube channel definitely rock on, and the users do get up the genuine perfect knowledge they want. So you can learn languages in this channel such as HTML, CSS, deployment strategies, server administration. The fourth one is Derek Bonas. The uploader Derek Bonas explains the whole concept of any particular coding language within a single video only. This amazing channel is the consist of the video tutorials regarding the programming languages. If you don't have much time or preparing for exams, you should follow this channel. The fifth one is programming knowledge. Over more than 1,000 videos related to the learning of programming on this channel have attracted about 218,000 subscribers throughout the world, which are definitely great. The channel's C programming tutorial is considered the best course for learning programming on the internet. The tutorials here range from an Android tutorials for beginners to Python, Java, and C++ tutorials for advanced users. So you can learn all basic languages in this channel. So that's all about some of the best YouTube channels who are interested to learn programming or coding. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. More and more videos I will upload for every day. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.